What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me something that I have been wanting to get for a very long time, but just haven't had the cash to drop on it. Now, as you know, I film a lot of videos, and tripod is probably one of the main thing that I should be getting, but I have been using a lot of not so great tripods. Well, I finally dropped some money and bought me this Peak Design aluminum tripod, not the carbon fiber one. That one I'm still thinking about. But yeah, this is the aluminum one, and I'm thinking I should give this thing a try to see if it'll work out for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, take a look at it. You know, if you're like me, you probably have been looking at this thing and going, is it really worth it? Well, that's mainly the reason why I want to actually do an unboxing on camera for this. I did purchase this with my own money, by the way. This is not sponsored by them at all. Even though I do love Peak Design product, I have everything from them, from their bag to their, those cufflinks and the camera straps. I have both different versions, the fat camera strap and the thin one. I love their products, don't get me wrong. But you know, they can be a little bit pricey for someone like me who's just starting out filming stuff, right? Anyway, this is probably the most luxury item that I have here. Well, I guess my monitor, but anyway, that has nothing to do with the camera. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this, okay? All right. Wow, so check this out, okay? The case that this thing comes in is pretty cool. This is elastic. There's also elastic over here that keeps it together. Now, if I do like this, I can just move this out the way and out the tripod. That's pretty cool. You know, they thought about everything from the packaging to the case. That's pretty cool. By the way, great case. I have a bunch of these cases for my other tripods. I never use them. They go in the corner as soon as I open them up. This one feels actually pretty good. I may keep it. May keep it. Okay. So first off, the weight of this thing. How does it feel? Let me see. It's heavier than my travel tripod that I use. I usually have a little travel tripod, but it's really not that stable. This right here is heavy, but it feels solid, unlike my other tripod. Okay, so I'm glad that it comes with this plate right here, because check this out, okay? This plate right here is essentially the same plate that I have on my clip. It's the clip where you clip onto your backpack and you mount your camera onto it. Same plate, so I can actually change it out. Okay. Not bad, yeah? These legs are so solid. Yeah, these legs are just solid. Oh, what is this? Some, where the tool sits, it's actually just a little clamp that they put on here for a space for tools. See, I can just pop that out and it stays on there. Now, upside down, it's not gonna fall off though. You see how there's a little marker right there? Now I push this over to unlock. I should be able to push this and remove my plate. Now once I'm done with that, I just move this over, and there, you gotta force this in to where it stays on lock. But that wouldn't be Peak Design if it was green, right? leveler right there. I'm not sure why it's not like the color green and stuff. Like it, you know, usually the leveler are always green. So it stands like this. If I wanted to go flatter, I guess it's the same functional thing as my other tripod. Push this little button right here and it can go down lower. But here's the interesting part right here. If I already have it extended out like this, I can't push this thing down at all. So you won't be able to accidentally press this and then it just drops your camera, right? So you gotta push this thing in a bit, then you can press this button right here and go to the next level. So that's a good safety feature there. So yeah, it extends it out, but this thing is not extended up, so I'm gonna have to move that up. Guys, this thing right here, the way the hole is built is solid. Even though, you see how thin this thing is? I don't know how they can make this thin and still keep this solid. Maybe because my other piece, my other tripods are plastic. That's why it was, you can move it. But this is like, I guess the material, aluminum, I can't move this at all. This piece right here. Yeah, so this ball head is interesting. Let me see if I can turn this. Okay. That's why I wasn't able to do anything when this thing is collapsed, because I needed to raise it up just a bit in order to move the ball. So this little knob right here that you see is where you tighten the ball up. That's very unique. I've never seen that done on tripod before. I feel like this is very stable, by the way. You see how there's these 3 different base groove right here. The reason why it's like that is so that you can actually shoot vertical if you want to. Vertical content. You can tilt this all the way vertical to shoot vertical content. Unique little piece there. That's a, never seen that done. Oh, okay, there's a click. There's a second click. And third click. I'm glad there's a click because now, you know, as I'm folding it, I know, okay, I can bend this back now and stand it as a regular tripod. Very unique. All right, let's see how tall this thing is. Okay, I'm not sure if I can even show you that in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and try anyway. Looks like this is the maximum that I can extend right here. It's pretty, it's as tall as me because this this base part right here is extended as well. So it's about my height, 5'3". No, I'm not 5'3". Okay, fine. I'm like 5'2". But that's how tall it is. My height. This is perfect. So this little mobile clamp where you use on your phone right here. Okay, look at this, okay? Are you ready? So you see how this is the longer end versus that over there? Well, this sticks right on here. You see that? It held it together with the same system where you lock it in. And that's it. Now you've got yourself a mobile tripod. I've never seen a system like this before where it's so thought out. This thing is not going anywhere now. Yeah, you don't need to screw it into a plate. That's genius. Man. And guys, this right here is all metal, but then there are some rubber to make sure it protects your phone as well. So it's not like it's gonna damage your phone. Folds down to this little bitty thing right here. This is so wild. I've never had a tripod that is this functional before. So anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. That is the Peak Design aluminum tripod that I just got in. It's one of the most amazing tripod that I have ever gotten. This one's a keeper for sure. That's it for me right there. I'm out. Bye-bye.